Everyone, welcome to Mokshika Academy YouTube channel. Today in this class we are going to learn about the current affairs of the month April. India signed an agreement with which country for cooperation in its first manned space mission Gaganyaan? France. It will enable India's flight physician to train at French facilities, and also the France country will test the equipments and will provide the equipments for the Indian crew. Where has the community service center been established to make the data available from India's first solar space mission? Uttar, Uttarakhand. The space mission named as Aditya L1, which is a support cell. It is a joint effort of ISRO and ARIS. ARIS is Aryabhatta Research Institution for Observational Science. Who has become the new Chief Election Commissioner of India? Sushil Chandra. Sushil Chandra will be the 24th Chief Election Commissioner of India and will replace Sunil Arora. How many years did RBI limit the tenure of MD and CEO and whole-time director of a private sector bank? 15 years. Upper age limit for the post to be 70 years. Thereafter, the individual will be eligible for reappointment as MD and CEO or whole-time director in the same bank. Which zone of Indian Railways has become the first zone in the country to be completely electrified? West Central Railway Zone, headquarters Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. The zonal railway now has 3012 route kilometer electrified network, and in 2024 India has set a target to complete electrification. Who became the first Indian woman to conquer Mount Annapurna? Priyanka Mohite. Mount Annapurna is the world's 10th highest peak with 8,091 meters above sea level. By which name is the railway department running a train for the transport of liquid medical oxygen and oxygen cylinder? Oxygen Express. The first Oxygen Express left Mumbai from Visakhapatnam. Recently, who chaired the first meeting of National Startup Advisor Council? Piyush Goyal, Minister of Railways, Commerce and Industry, Consumer Affairs and Food and Public Distribution, Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade had constituted the National Startup Advisor Council. Ministry of Agriculture has entered into an agreement with which company to increase the income of farmers? Microsoft. Minister of Agriculture has tied up for a pilot project in 100 villages in 6 states to boost farmers' income through the reduction in input cost and better post-harvest management. Who launched the National Digital Respiratory Poshan Gyan based on health and nutrition? Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog launched it in partnership with Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and Center for Social and Behavior Change with Ashoka University. Piyush Goyal. eSanta. It means Electronic Solution for Augmenting NACSA Farmers Trade in Aquaculture. This platform will help connect water farmers with buyers. This will help the farmers to get a fair price. It will help up to exporters to buy quality products directly from the farmers. Which union minister has recently launched the world's first Microsoft based explosive trace detector called nanosniffer? Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. The nanosniffer has been developed by Nanosniff Technologies, which is an IIT Bombay incubated startup. Annamai, a tribal health collaborative, has been launched by which union minister? Dr. Harshavardhan, Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare, and also Shri Arjun Munda, Union Minister for Tribal Affairs. This initiative is supported by a Primal Foundation and Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Which minister has started the National Driving License Register? Road and Transport Ministry, that is Nitin Gadkari, which is its main purpose. It wants all changes in GLs to be done electronically to prevent duplication or misuse, and also help in updating and assessing the data on a real-time basis anywhere in the country. Modern chaff technology has been developed by which organization? DRDO. The advanced chaff technology is used worldwide to protect naval ships from enemy's radar and radio frequency missile seekers. Chaff material deployed in the air acts as a decoy to deflect enemy's missiles. Which IIT institute launched the watch for the blind to know the time? IIT Kanpur. It has a haptic watch with a tactile interface that makes it easy for visually impaired people to read the time easily. Government of India has announced the grant of scholarship to students of which country under the Mukti Jodha scholarship scheme? Bangladesh. It's a new scheme in which scholarship will be given to 2000 students. This will be a students whose ancestors have contributed to Bangladesh liberation struggle. Vajra Prahar joint military exercise has started between which two country armies? India and America. Event in Bhakol, Himachal Pradesh in 2021, it is the 11th edition of Vajra Prahar practice was held. Varuna naval exercise to be held between India and which country? France and UAE, but UAE did not participate in the 19th edition, which was held on from April 25th to 27th. Which country's navy patrolled the Indian maritime area without India's permission? America. 130 nautical miles west of the Lakshadweep island located in the Arabian Sea. The Union Cabinet has approved the agreement on customs cooperation with which country? United Kingdom. The agreement will provide a legal framework for sharing intelligence between the customs department of the two countries and mutual administrative assistance in custom matters. India has signed an agreement with which country to develop the transmission line of Raipur power plant? Bangladesh. It is being constructed at Raipur in the Pabna district of Bangladesh on the bank of Padma River. Indian companies L&T and Transrail Lighting Limited are among those awarded contract for the construction of power's infrastructure. Which central sector scheme has been launched on the National Panchayat Day 2021? Swamitva Scheme. The scheme aims to provide an integrated property validation solution for rural India. What is India's ranking in the recently released Global Energy Transition Index 2021? Among 115 countries, India ranks about 87th. It is released by World Economic Forum. According to the report released by SIPRI, India stood on which place in the military spending in the year 2020? Third, it was released by Stockholm International Peace Research Institution. The first place is America, second place is China. What was India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index? Among 180 countries, India stood on 142 position. In the top position, Norway is in the first. Recently, which state health minister launched iLearn app? Nagaland. This app has been launched as a capacity building and performance tracking application for community health workers, and this app was launched by the health minister. Recently, who launched Antyodaya Parivar Uttan Yojan? Haryana. Under this scheme, efforts will be made to uplift 1 lakh families with low family income in the state through financial assistance and self-employment. Who became the first state in the country to give health insurance to every citizen? Rajasthan. The Rajasthan government has started the cashless Mediclaim scheme on April 1st, under which every family will get up to 5 lakh health insurance. Recently, India's largest diamond mine has been found at which place? Chaturpur, which is located in Madhya Pradesh. In which state the country's first agriculture-based solar power plant has been set up? Rajasthan. It has been planted in Jaipur, the capital of Rajasthan, and its main objective is to provide easy electricity to farmers for day-to-day agricultural work. Which became the first state to give monthly scholarship to school students? Sikkim. The government of Sikkim has signed a memorandum of understanding. India's first electric vehicle lithium battery plant will be set up in which state? Karnataka. Lithium ion battery parts will be made in Karnataka. Which state has decided to provide free travel for buses up to 50 km for people with disabilities? Bihar. Which state government has appointed film star Sonu Sood as the brand ambassador for the corona vaccination campaign? Punjab. Where has India's first vertical forest tower, Mana Forest, been built? Bengaluru. It is a multi-stored building which is equipped with leaves, bushes, trees and vines from all sides. Which state has won the E-Panchayat Award 2021? Uttar Pradesh. Every year this award is given by the Union Minister of Panchayat Raj to those states which ensure maximum use of information technology to keep a tab on the work done by the Grama Panchayat. Which government has launched Jagan Vidya Divan Yojan? Andhra Pradesh. To provide scholarship to all those students who are not able to pay their fees due to financial burden, this scheme has been launched. Recently, in which state property ownership scheme will be launched? Bihar. Under this scheme, a survey of land will be done in rural areas. Mapping will also be done. These are the major topics which has been occurred in the month of April. If you like the video, please click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel. If anyone wants to buy the PDF, The above link has been provided. They can buy the PDF through the link. Thank you.